Hey there, I'm Spencer Kelley here at Engineered Air Balance, and this is one of our controls pods. These are fully functional variable air handlers, I'll go ahead and take y'all through it. So first thing you need with any air handler, we've got our high static cutout. This protects the ductwork. We've got our fan. We've got our lovely green heck controller that acts as our VFD. Chill water coil. We've got a custom wired discharge air temp sensor that can be tuned to mimic a change in discharge air temperature. And while the system is running, we can watch the chill water valve respond dynamically to this temperature signal. We've got our mixed air temperature and humidity sensor supplied to us by BAPI. As we go further back in the unit, we've got our return air damper with the associated actuator, our outside air damper and its associated actuator. And then we've got where all the magic happens, our central controller. You'll notice our central controller right here. We have our variety of power inputs and switching that's happening, as well as our rib safety board. This switch mimics a low temp alarm because obviously these air handlers aren't going to be prone to any kind of actual low temperature conditions. That other safety input obviously comes from our high static switch. We've got our filter DP switch that are actually set and they can actually go off. We keep the filters in these pretty clean, as you might imagine, but things happen. We've got our main power input, also a rib device, as well as our current sensing switch, which tells us when the fan is on or not. We've got our what some would call 2/3 static sensor, but it's our primary static sensor that allows our air handler to control to a pressure set point based on what the terminal units are doing. 2/3 is kind of comical in this context because we have one terminal unit. Speaking of which, standard terminal unit controller with a prepackaged application for control, our discharge air temp sensor, communicating thermostat, and while obviously not piped to anything, we do have our hot water control valves wired in. In addition to this whole system, we have a fully functional fan coil unit that we can program as needed and actually go through the block programming and connect everything, as well as a build along hands-on series for safety relay boards where the class participants will actually wire up one of these themselves and then we'll plug them in and test them for full functionality.